Let's say this lady has no sides, but I have to blend this in so that there's movement. I would bring it back to where you can change your angle, at the round of the head. Now I know there's a round here, around here, and around here. Wherever those 2 points meet, there's rounds. The one I use usually for the side for long hair is the very first one, because it gives me enough distance for movement and for the hair to settle back down. And this hair doesn't belong up here. It belongs on this flat plane of the head. Does that make sense?